In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export videos for free without a watermark in CapCut. Whether you're creating content for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or just want to share a polished video with friends, knowing how to export your work properly is essential. CapCut is an excellent user-friendly editing tool that allows you to create high-quality videos with no watermark, as long as you avoid paid assets. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to export your projects seamlessly and share them wherever you like. If you don't already have a CapCut account, you can sign up using the link in the description below. Let's jump right in. The first thing you'll want to do is review your timeline in CapCut. Take a moment to look over all your cuts, effects, transitions, and sound design. This step is critical because it ensures that there are no unnoticed errors in your project. Catching mistakes now will save you the hassle of re-exporting later. Think of it as giving your project one final polish before sending it out to the world. Once you've confirmed everything looks good, move your attention to the top right corner of the CapCut workspace. Here, you'll see the Equat button. Go ahead and click that, and it will bring up the Export Settings window. This is where you can customize how your final video will be saved. Now, in the Export Settings window, you'll have a few different options to consider. If you're unsure of what to choose, you can stick with the default settings, which work well for most general purposes. However, if you're exporting for a specific platform, you might want to adjust the resolution. For example, selecting 1080p will give you a higher resolution, which is perfect for platforms like YouTube or Instagram. Alternatively, if you need a smaller file size, maybe for sharing in group chats or over email, you can choose a lower resolution. The right choice here really depends on your video's purpose, so pick the option that best suits your needs. Once your export settings are all set, click the Final Export button to start the exporting process. Keep in mind the time it takes to export your video will vary. If your video has a lot of edits, heavy effects, or is particularly long, the export process may take a bit longer. Be patient and let CapCut do its thing. When the export is complete, you'll be prompted to decide on a location to save your video. Choose a spot that's easy for you to remember, like your desktop or a dedicated folder for your projects. This will ensure you can quickly find the file later when you're ready to upload or share it. Next, wait for CapCut to finish the exporting process. Once it's done, it will give you the option to locate your saved file. Click on that prompt to open the folder containing your video. From here, you'll want to play the video back to confirm everything looks just as you intended. Specifically, check that there's no watermark on the video. CapCut on PC exports videos for free without any watermarks, as long as you haven't used any paid assets or stock footage in your project. If you do notice a watermark, double-check your project to ensure all elements are free to use. And finally, once you've verified your video is perfect, it's time to share it. You can upload it to platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, or send it directly to friends and family. Wherever you choose to share it, your video will now be ready to shine. And that's how you export videos for free without a watermark in CapCut. By following these steps, you can ensure your project is polished, high quality, and ready to share. If you have any questions about this process or want to see more tutorials like this one, let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.